Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your YouTube Premium membership. Let me show you in a few clicks how to do that. So once you head over to YouTube and you're on your YouTube account, you can click your profile in the upper right, then go down to purchases and memberships. Under this section, guys, you want to scroll down and you will see your current membership. And as you can see right here, it says memberships premium. You click here to manage membership. And under this section, scroll down and you will find premium. And you have an option to upgrade it. So as you can see, you can upgrade it to the family membership. And that's it. Just click on upgrade. You pay a bit more. As you can see, the current plan that I have is for an individual plan. It's my currency, it's 209 Czech crown. But if I upgrade to a family membership, right, this will allow me to pay 389 Czech crown. I upgrade and it gives me one subscription will be for me and 5 members in my family or 5 other persons, as you can see right there. So this is how you can easily, let's say, upgrade your YouTube Premium. And that's it, guys.